Taiwan semiconductor chips are a critical component in many industries, powering everything from smartphones to advanced computing systems. This widespread use of Taiwan semiconductor chips underscores the company's critical role in the global technology landscape. Despite a challenging year 2023 for TSMC, the outlook for 2024 and 2025 is bright, with significant growth anticipated. Analysts expect demand to surge, driven by advancement in technology and an increasing need for high-performance chips. Despite recent market fluctuations, Taiwan Semiconductor stock remains attractively priced. It is not overpriced at its current levels, making it a compelling option for those looking to capitalize on the expected industry's upswing. In this video, we will analyze Taiwan Semiconductor's robust technological capabilities and how its position in the market provides a solid foundation for future growth, which helps Taiwan Semiconductor to enter an exclusive trillion-dollar club, and how making an investment in Taiwan Semiconductor can give a good return in the future. Let's get started. Thank you again for joining me today. I'm Pankaj. As always, everything shared in this video is for informational purposes only. Few companies are as crucial to the modern world as Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing. It makes the chips used in AI models, iPhones, and nearly any other devices with a microchip. Taiwan Semiconductor is a top player in this industry and it is still expanding. Right now, Taiwan Semiconductor is worth almost $800 billion and making it the 8th largest company globally by market capitalization. By 2025, its value could easily surpass $1 trillion. A key factor in Taiwan Semiconductor's success is its unique position in the chip market. As a foundry, it provides manufacturing services to companies that need chips, so it doesn't need to focus on marketing its own products. Instead, its customers handle that marketing aspect. Taiwan Semiconductor often produces chips for rival companies such as Nvidia and AMD. These companies like Nvidia and AMD choose Taiwan Semiconductor because of its cutting-edge technology. Currently, TSMC leads the industry with its advanced 3nm technology. This measurement refers to the distance between conductive paths, and 3nm is incredibly small. For example, Apple's latest A17 Bionic chip used in the iPhone 15 is produced using TSMC's 3nm process, showcasing its superior manufacturing capabilities. The smaller the distance between these traces, the more transistors a client can pack onto the chips. This allows customers to configure their chip to be more efficient, powerful, which consumes less energy. However, Taiwan Semiconductor is not going to stop with 3nm technology. It is already developing its 2nm node, expected to launch in late 2025. TSMC management has reported that the demand for its 2nm chip is even higher than what it was for 3nm and 5nm chip at the same stage, which is excellent news for shareholders. Taiwan Semiconductor already leads the chip industry with its innovative technology, and its commitment to continuous improvement makes this company an exciting investment opportunity. So what will it take for Taiwan Semiconductor to become a $1 trillion company? TSMC's path to $1 trillion valuation is very clear. In the first quarter of 2024, TSMC's revenue grew by 13% year over year in the US dollars, and quarter 2 revenue is expected to increase by 27%. This revenue acceleration is crucial for Taiwan Semiconductor's growth path, especially after a less successful year of 2023. Wall Street is predicting strong growth for this year and the next year, with revenues expected to rise by 23% in 2024 and 20% in 2025. By the end of 2025, the average revenue forecast is almost $102 billion, solidifying Taiwan Semiconductor as one of the world's leading companies. Although profit margins can vary significantly in this cyclical chip industry, Taiwan Semiconductor has consistently delivered strong profit margins. Even if we assume a slight decrease to a 35% profit margin by 2025, the company would still generate $36 billion in profits. To determine how Taiwan Semiconductor could become a $1 trillion company by 2025, we divide the target market capitalization of $1 trillion by the estimated 2025 profits. This results in a price-to-earning ratio of almost 27, which is comparable to its historical price-to-earning ratio over the last 5 years. If TSMC meets this target, it should easily become a $1 trillion company by the end of 2025. This is likely just the beginning for Taiwan Semiconductor, as its chips are essential across various industries. Therefore, investing in Taiwan Semiconductor now could be a great opportunity given its culture of continuous improvement and the increasing demand for new chips. Just to conclude, Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing is crucial to the modern world, producing chips for AI models, iPhones, and countless other devices. With its cutting-edge technology and strong growth projections, TSMC is on track to surpass a $1 trillion valuation by 2025. Its innovative approach and consistent profit margin make it a leading player in the AI chip industry. Investing in TSMC now offers a promising opportunity as it continues to meet the growing demand for advanced chips. If you enjoyed this analysis and want to stay updated with more technology and AI stock insights, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy investing.